If you've been wondering how to play Forza Horizon 6 on iPhone or iPad, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the simple step-by-step method to get into the game on iOS using cloud gaming. This is one of the easiest ways to play without needing a console, and the best part is that you can get started in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is purchase Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. This is important because cloud gaming is included with the Ultimate plan, and that's what allows you to stream supported games directly to your iPhone or iPad. So open your browser, go to the official Xbox website, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Then look for Game Pass Ultimate and choose the subscription plan. Complete the purchase, and once that's done, you'll be ready for the next step. Now that you have Game Pass Ultimate, the next thing you need to do is install the Xbox app from the App Store. Open the App Store on your iPhone or iPad, search for Xbox, and download the official app published by Microsoft. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in using the same Microsoft account that you use for Game Pass Ultimate. This step is really important because your subscription and your cloud gaming access need to be linked to the same account. After you're signed in, take a moment to make sure everything looks correct and that your Game Pass membership is active. Next, inside the Xbox app, go to Cloud Gaming. You may need to tap the menu or navigate through the app until you find the Cloud Gaming section. This is the part that lets you stream games instead of downloading them, which is exactly why it works so well on iOS. Once you're in Cloud Gaming, use the search bar to look for Forza Horizon 6. When the game appears, tap on it and select Launch. The game will start streaming directly to your device, and after a short loading time, you should be able to play right on your iPhone or iPad. For the best experience, make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection or stable internet, because cloud gaming depends on speed and consistency. If you're on mobile data, you may notice more lag or lower quality, so Wi-Fi is usually the better option. Also, if you want smoother controls, you can connect a compatible controller to your iPhone or iPad, which makes racing games feel much better and much easier to control. And that's it. Once you've purchased Xbox Game Pass Ultimate, installed the Xbox app, and launched Forza Horizon 6 through cloud gaming, you're ready to play on iOS. It's a super simple process once you know the steps, and now you can enjoy the game without needing a console. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.